Hello world, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. So today I am going to start a Django tutorial series, and in this series we will create a question answer website. So I have created some prototype for this website. So here you can see that. So this will be our home page, and you can see our home page contains search and a list of questions with the user who posted this question, how many answers and how many comments. And here we will add pagination, and in the menu we have questions, tags, asks, ask question, profile. So we will create this in Django 3. Actually we will use Python 3 Python version 3 and Django 3, Bootstrap 4 and jQuery 3 version. And so this will be our home page, and this will be our question detail page. So in this page you can see that we have question, and this is a time that how this question is old. And here we will add upvotes and downvotes similar to Stack Overflow, and the username who posted the answer, and comment on this answer. And at the home page we will total this comment. We will like, if we have 5 answer and we have each answer has 5 comment, then we will show the 25 comments on that question. And here we are showing tag also. So here you can see that comments are like this. And now we have, and the third screen is our ask question screen. In this screen we will give user permission to add a questions with question detail and tags. In the detail section we will add a editor, so that user can put a link, image, or anything uh, he wants. And this is our tag page. In this tag page we are counting the total questions of a specific tag. And this is user login page, user login screen, and this is user register screen. So it will be fulfilled by the Django user authentication. And this is our tag screen. This is particular tag screen. If user click on the tag, then the questions according to that tag will come. And here we are also adding a pagination. And this is the user profile screen. So in this profile screen we have created this sidebar, and in the sidebar we have number of pages, like how many user questions posted, and we will show the questions, we will show the answers. User can see the answers, user can see the comments, user can see the upvotes, downvotes. He can edit a profile, change password. So these are the features that we will do with the Django. So I hope you will enjoy this series. So this is just introduction for the website, and in the next video we will start to creating a website. So thank you so much.